Xiaomi's new weekly update is here, which we've installed it on our device. Like Redmi Note 8, it's available for some other devices also. It's just great, especially if you're a Redmi Note 8 user. It's a very good thing that super wallpapers are removed from here and smoothness is increased. And honestly, as I'm not a MIUI lover, but yes, it's actually quite good. If you are looking to install something different on your device, cool and fast MIUI ROM, of course it's not that fast but still fast MIUI ROM, then this might be a good choice for you. MIUI 12.6 by Xiaomi U 21.6.16 weekly beta, which we have installed it on our device. It's of course weekly beta, so if your device always receives weekly beta, then you can go and try out this latest weekly beta. Super wallpapers are removed for Redmi Note 8, not sure about other devices, but we're just going to talk about some few changes which you get in this new update, which is available for all devices if you have installed this Xiaomi U latest update. Let's just talk about some things here. Let's just go back and let me show you something good things. For example, in Xiaomi U or in other upcoming updates, new updates, we have this new volume panel, and the thing is the animation is increased. As you can see, animation is actually quite smooth. I just noticed one thing here, the animation seems to be stable enough, smooth enough, so that's just actually quite good. The previous volume panel was not that smooth, but these animations looks quite smooth. So smooth animations of course looks quite good. Let's just talk about the changes. The first change which we got in this latest update is called the show notifications in updater. Yes, if you don't know, if you use updater on Xiaomi U and if you get new updates, it will automatically show you the updates that new update is here, and if you don't want to update, you still get notifications for that. But now you can turn off the notifications. If you don't want update, simply turn off the notifications and you're good to go. This is actually quite good and very much helpful for some of the users, and this is the first change which we get in this latest Xiaomi U weekly update. Including that, we have other changes also which we're going to talk about later on. This was the first thing which I just want to let you know. As you can see, show notifications. So if you're looking to install this thing, then you can turn on and turn off this option from settings if you are looking for it. Now moving on to some other things, let me just show you the second change which we have here in our list in wallpaper and personalization section. And this is the only change which you get in Redmi Note 8. Not sure about other devices, but this is a device specific change which you get here. Like, there's no super wallpapers, so yes, it's good. Of course, no super wallpapers, smoothness is increased. This is actually quite good. After using for some time, you might know that if it is actually smooth or not, because it's MIUI. But yes, still, if super wallpapers are not there, the first impressions are looking quite good. By default, you always get the super wallpapers and the first impressions were laggy, but now this is not like that. This is another change which we have, including the Mi Video app. The Mi Video app UI and everything is changed here. If you don't know, if you open the Mi Video app now, and in this update, some changes are there, some changes are present there. This is another change which you get in this Xiaomi EU update, weekly update. So yes, some changes we have already checked out the change log, that's why I'm just sharing with you. Also, they've just updated some themes, application related, like some bugs were there, the third-party themes were not perfectly applying there, that is also changed. Mi Share also has support for Samsung devices. Of course, my device does not have the Mi Share, but if your device has Mi Share, that's now supported for the Samsung devices also. It's actually quite good. These are things I just want to let you know about the quick update of this Xiaomi U weekly update. Install this update. This was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through